She's figured out where to walk so that the light didn't come on. So she can come out here in the dark and lose me. But I know what she's doing, so I just walk out and trip the light. And then she wants to go back in the house. She's all done. Oh, look at that. Wonder where this came from. Is this yours? That's kind of new. We had an HRV. Had an HRV for 3 years. We leased it. And it was okay. We did a lot of driving in it and found out it was too darn small. My head hits the ceiling. Even with the front driver's seat cushion retracted all the way, seat all the way back, everything lowered down as far as it would go, my head hit the ceiling. Every time I got into the thing, I had to fold nearly double to get under the door frame. So, we went to the dealership today, and our lease was coming up due in August. Well, it was going to end in August, and we were waiting for that. So we talked to Brian and got him to work a deal for us. We got a brand new CRV with all the bells and whistles. It's got the sunroof and electronic dashboard and mag wheels, and Lydia's favorite color now is red. It's funny, we had we had red cars and red trucks for about 5 or 6 years, and someone said to us, "Do you ever buy anything besides red trucks?" And I said, "No, sometimes I buy red cars." So we stopped buying red and we went with, I had a silver truck. After a red truck for 10 years. 10 years I had a red truck. The first one wore out after 4, and then I got the next one and drove it for 6. But anyways, got silver cars, and the CRV was a silver car. Gray, metallic silvery gray. One of those halfway between things. So now we're back with a red car, and I'm happy with it. I like the red car. It drives really good. It's got a few more controls on it than I like, but you can turn them off. Like it wants to make sure that you follow the road correctly. So as you're going down the expressways, when it sees that there's a turn coming up, it turns the wheels. It tries to track and follow the wheels. It's got radar on the front and says, okay, the road is tilting and turning. And I'm thinking that's fine, but that's great on the expressway where the roads are semi-normal. I live in Michigan. The roads are crazy. So I'm going to have to turn that off unless I'm on an expressway. And even on an expressway in the wintertime, you don't want something turning all of a sudden. When it's icy out, you want to go really slow on the turns. You want to make sure that you can go, normal driving speed. But when you turn the front wheels, you'll put spin on the car and it'll swing right out sideways on you. So anyways, that'll be turned off in the wintertime when it's icy, or when it's raining, because hydroplaning. But anyways, Lydia likes the car. It is her car. I have a truck. I like my truck. My truck is 2-wheel drive. You say 2-wheel drive in Michigan where the snow gets really deep? I've been driving 2-wheel drive trucks since, what was it? 1967. First truck I bought. 1968, first truck I bought. And I've been driving trucks since 1969. First truck I bought cost me $25. 2-wheel drive old Chevy, 1957 Chevy pickup truck. Totally roached out. But I drove it. Put a set of bald tires on the back and drove the crap out of it. So now we have a new lease vehicle. And when it comes to the end of the lease, we're going to buy it. Because the math works. Sadie's decided it's time to go in the house. So we're done with this monologue. And now you know what kind of car I bought.